guys, position your cup and your table. After that, you record it for a few seconds. Then you come in with your kettle or anything. Then you start pouring water inside this cup. Then after pouring water now, then you can now walk out. All right, that is all you just need. All right, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. Like we always do, we are going to be clicking it to silence the volume. Then you click on your video, you can expand it and position your video or your table and cup the way you want it to be. After positioning it, we need an empty background for this video. So after doing your adjustments here, we are going to be clicking it. We need to go and locate freeze. All right, so after your adjustment, come here now, click this place, then you go and look for freeze. Okay, let's freeze out an empty background we are going to use. Click on freeze here, click on this first one and delete it. You click on the third part or the last part, go and look for overlay. Then you overlay this one here. You click on the empty background and drag it to as long as you want your video to last. After that, you are going to be coming back, do your necessary adjustments here where you want your water to start flowing. After the whole adjustments, we are going to be coming back. All right, we are going to be using this add overlay, but do your necessary adjustment. After the whole adjustments, you come and click on add overlay because we are going to be adding our bottle. All right, so you click on add overlay here, add overlay, then you click on photos there, import your bottle, green screen bottle. Make sure you have it down already. But guys, if you love this video, you love our tutorials, smash your like button. All right, tell us what magic effect you would like us to create next. Drop them at the comment section. Help us to share this video so that it will reach a wider audience, those that wants to learn. All right, and make sure you watch this video to the end. There are many other values to take away from this video. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. You are welcome back to this tutorial. So click here and go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Chroma key, you drag it to green point, mark on this good, you go back. You are still clicking it to look for adjust. Click on adjust there, HSL, where are you? Click on it there, mark on green, reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on that good there, then you are going to be going back. So at this point, position your bottle the way you want it to be. Then you come and drag this green screen to cover your video. After positioning your bottle, you are going to be dragging the layer so that it will cover your video. All right, so do your necessary adjustments here. After that, click on this one, then you are going to be dragging it to cover your video. Look at what I am doing. After making it cover your video, you come back. The next thing we are going to be doing now is this, our water area. Look at the water there. You click it and go and look for mask. All right, but do your necessary adjustment where you want the water to start running. That is where you are going to place it. Then we are going to go and look for mask. After the whole thing, click it and look for mask. All right, click on mask now. Look at mask there. You click on circle. All right, click on circle next. Then you bring your circle line up. Then you circle your water the way you want your water to be. Look at my own there. I am doing my adjustments. After circling your water, you mark on that good there. Then you go back. Then you come to the beginning of the video. It's now time to work on this green screen bottle. You are going to click it and add keyframe there. Then you adjust it and drag the bottle up. Look at what I'm going to be doing. Drag the bottle up. So you adjust it again and turn the bottle. You are turning the bottle now to position it as if turn the bottle, position it where it's going to be to start pouring water inside the cup. Look at it. After that, you adjust it again and reveal your water. Then you are going to still make some adjustment here, because you are going to be taking the bottle to the point where the water is coming out from. So now look at it, adjust your video, take it up, then review the water, position your bottle now. All right, so as you position your bottle so that the water will be coming out from the bottle's mouth, you do your necessary adjustments so that the water will be coming from the bottle's mouth. That is what we are going to be doing here. Look at it, I am doing my own adjustment to amendment so that the water will be coming out from the bottle's mouth. After that, your hand is not straight. You use keyframe to make sure that the water is coming out steady from the bottle's mouth. After that, you add your key again, then you turn your bottle. After the water stop running, turn your bottle and shift the video again. Shift the video again, then you drag your bottle down and place it at the position where you want it to be. All right, after that, we are going to be cutting out the unwanted part of the video. So you are going to be clicking here now to make a split. You click on the green screen bottle and make a split. You delete this one and delete the background as well. So we are going to be playing this video from the beginning, but as far as I'm concerned, this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effects, every other effect, and after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add every other effect, I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. You DM me, I am going to put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after adding your effect, the next thing now is click on export. Then you export this video to your gallery. As you can see that is exporting. At this point, this video have been stored in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But don't forget, guys, to smash your like button if you like this video, and tell us what magic effect you would like us to be creating next. Okay, share this video to this wiser audience out there. All right, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorial. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.